Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder black screen. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder black screen, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will go to the window of Tinder. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you will wait 3 seconds, then you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and then you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.